All right, I'll give you a walk around of the 5288. This thing is wearing me out. This was a South Texas tractor, and it was rough. It is the original cab. That was one of the few good pieces on it. All new glass. We gutted everything on the cab. New wiring. And the chassis, we should be ready to start this week. We're waiting on a couple switches and batteries. Filler full of fluid and be able to drive it. Now the engine guys, they already dynoed the engine, so it's already been run in. For those of you that haven't bought one of those EGT probes lately from Case IH, they're a whopping $440. We are getting close. Ready to put the rest of the platform and seat on, and then we'll be able to drive it. Like I said, this thing was really in bad shape. All right. Thanks a lot.